We'd like to thank each of this year's 11 trade show companies for their sponsorship contribution and participation in the Trade Show Blitz competition, in which each company had 5 minutes to explain their business and how they are revolutionizing the sports industry. The participants competed for a cash prize and the honor of being named, quote, the most promising startup at the conference, as determined by our panel of guest judges who are leading startup company investors. This year's competition featured 2 categories, pre-revenue and post-revenue. It was very hotly contested, but our judges have selected 1 winner per category, each receiving $5,000. And in the post-revenue category, the first place prize goes to Fusion Sports. Please come up and accept your award. Our congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. This is for you guys? Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.
For many organisations, their athlete data management is a fractured collection of Excel spreadsheets, specific software packages, pieces of paper and memories. And when staff leave, that data is often lost.
Smartabase offers the ability to bring all your data into one aggregate location, and then allows you to save time and improve your decision-making for now and into your future.
But we've heard all of this before. There's a number of companies out there offering off-the-shelf athlete management software packages, or unfortunately a lot of organisations have gone down the slow and expensive road of custom software development.
Whether it's online, offline, or through our mobile application, we can bring your data to life and have it spring into action through live reports, SMS alerts, mobile analysis, as well as our statistical analysis and advanced modeling.
Smartabase also takes care of those other important things that can take away your time and focus, like document management, SMS and email messaging, and a very powerful scheduling system for team and individual scheduling, all with iCalendar integration.
Our mobile application has been what's been really key for our athlete uptake. Our coaches report over 90% compliance with their athletes through use of the mobile application. This application is customizable and brandable and really is that one go-to space for the athlete uptake. We use a high level of security within the system through our administrative capabilities, as well as we're HIPAA and PETA compliance. We have the tools in place for that.
What really sets Smartabase apart from the others is what we call a builder toolkit. While Smartabase comes out of the box with a wide range of templates for collecting data and running reports, the Builder Toolkit allows our sports science staff and our clients to perform live web-based customization of their system without the need for knowing how to program software. The Builder Toolkit, you can see there, contains over 70 different question types, from basic things like text and numbers through to things like body diagrams, videos, images, and then a wide range of calculations similar to what you'd find in Excel. Now, a lot of our competitors will say they can customize, but with Smartabase, we're talking about truly deep level of customization without having any bespoke software development.
Data integration is at the heart of our business philosophy, and making sure that that data is available to you and for your advanced analytics is key. We can import any type of CSV data, and through our advanced web-based API, we can integrate with offline streaming of data as well as third-party technologies, the technologies we've heard talking today here. And then we can utilize those things like Training Peaks, GPS, and nutritional analysis all within the system.
Smartabase comes with a wide range of reporting options, from dynamic color-coded homepage dashboards through to holistic athlete views. We have a range of data visualization modules. And then through our live data feeds, we can also go out to things like Excel. So Smartabase gives coaches and managers the information they need whenever and wherever they need it.
Some of our competitors will profess that they've got that secret algorithm for injury prevention or optimizing the athlete. And I think many of you know that that has to be based upon your sport, your data, your coaching, your modalities, and will help you develop that equation for using in your future predictions.
So once we've got all the data coming in, we've got a variety of inbuilt analytics and statistical modeling tools in the system. And then through our API and live data feeds, we've also connected to a variety of the well-known BI platforms. And most recently, we've actually seamlessly now integrated the TIBCO Spotfire platform. So then our analytics team, when they need it, can go out and provide our clients with really advanced visualization and to build those specific models specific to their data to really attack those big questions.
Smartabase really is an advanced technology, and we back it by our customer service and our team with over 120 years of sports performance development experience. We've also implemented the system with over 100 global organizations, from training centers to Olympic organizations and professional clubs.
Smartabase is truly changing the way these organisations are managing their athlete data. The combination of our experience, our ease of customisation and our customer service are what set us apart. Smartabase is a working model and demonstration of truly centralised athlete data management and analytics. Now, we're quietly confident that a lot of the people at this conference will come to use Smartabase in the future. The interesting thing now is to see who goes first and who follows behind. Thank you. Excuse my voice, by the way.
So you have 100 customers today. Saw the logos. What's the revenue model? Is it a subscription? Is it...
Revenue model is a combination of license fees and software as a service, basically. So if you're talking about, let's say, an average professional team, you're looking around $35,000 a year. But that can scale down. We work with some things like K-12 schools even. We can go down to sort of around the $15,000 a year mark.
What was the first number?
$35,000 a year.
Okay.
And then that actually tails down after a couple of years once they're sort of bedded in and set up properly. But then we're also working with some very large organisations like Institute Sport and Olympic committees. Those are well into the six-figure sort of sums.
Have you thought about pricing this was for a lot of these companies per athlete? Yeah. Is there a way to get more?
Yeah, so we consider that carefully. We don't charge for athletes.
No, I understand.
We charge for professionals, so we charge for the value that the organisations are getting out of the data, and also they're the ones who put the support load on our resources, not the athletes. So our revenue model in terms of licensing is based on professional users, not athletes.
I wasn't thinking about them, I was thinking about you.
No, we're doing fine. The more athletes, the better, because the more data that's coming in, the better the system works.
Who's your most prototypical customer? Like which customer is most engaged, most athletes in? You know?
Look, our biggest customers would be customers like the Australian Institute of Sport, one of the leading organisations on the planet in sports science. The Scottish Institute of Sport. We've had a lot of customers in Australia and the Australian Football League, a very hotbed of analytics and sports science, and also in England as well with some of the EPL teams and things over there.
Okay.
And how many users would, using the prototypical, how many users at that organization? How often are they in the solution?
It really varies client to client, but I would say most pro teams you're looking at between 30 and 50 professionals logging in. And look, some clients choose to focus Smartabase initially on some smaller areas like medical or wellness monitoring or something, but we have quite a few customers who are running their entire sort of football operation end to end, and they'll have 50 or 60 professionals in there. And with those big sites like the RS or Scottish Institute, you're talking 700-800 professionals and up to 10,000 athletes running in one system. So it's very scalable.
Cool.
Good.
Good.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.